Is trading really gambling? That's a valid question. So, no, it isn't. Oh, then yes, it is. Okay, that can be a heated discussion. Let's discuss. Hey everyone, Zach here, and welcome to the world of investing, the place of knowledge and the golden nuggets of information that we're going to provide about investing and trading. Now, let's get the bottom of it right away. So, what is gambling? Let's take the definition of gambling. According to Wikipedia, gambling is the wagering of something of value, the stake, on a random event with the intent of winning something else of value, where instances of strategy are discounted. Okay, so I want to underline where the instance of strategy are discounted. So let's say we want to open a business. Let's say a restaurant. Let's give it an example. Okay, so there's two ways to go about this. Okay, the first way, I can just get my capital, find any random place to rent or to buy, let's say renting. So I jump on that lease, I go and build a restaurant there, I just make the construction and I open the open sign, ready to go. Food, I know how to do pizza or something, anything. And we go from there. Now there's another way to do it. Second way to do it, we can study the area, study the cost, study the service, study the food, study the population. Then based on that, you can forecast your sales, you can forecast your expenses, you can forecast your profit, you can run a risk analysis, you can brainstorm everything possibly that can go bad with your business and how you're gonna deal with it. And the worst case scenario, if you close your store or your restaurant, how much money you're gonna lose after selling your assets. And then you make your decision. Are you willing to lose that money? If yes, you go ahead and open your business. Now there's a lot of details to that business plan, but I'm just giving a rough example. Now, so that one has a high probability of success and that one has a low probability of success. Now, I'm not saying that can never work. It might by chance work, but the lack of strategy is there. Now, that has a higher probability of work, but is it guaranteed 100%? Nothing is guaranteed 100%, okay? So that applies exactly for trading. When you're trading with no knowledge and just jumping on stocks and just buying randomly, that's exactly what you're doing to yourself. You're gambling. If you have a proper strategy and you're trading properly and with the proper education and the proper practice and you've done your due diligence, okay, it is not gambling. And now, if you still think that trading or investing is gambling, okay, tell me why I have been profitable consistently for years, over 2 years, I would say 3 years. I haven't had a losing month, okay? So why is that? That's impossible to be gambling. My coach been profitable for over 10 years. So in conclusion, trading or investing with no strategy, that's gonna be gambling. That's why the answer can be yes and can be no. With knowledge and practice, the more knowledge, the more practice, the less gambling it becomes. Once you're consistently profitable every month by month, okay, or every year by year, that's when you're not gambling. Nobody can go to the casino and play and win every day. Or even if they average out, they can be winners and live off of it. Okay? This is not a game. It's not gaming. When you're buying a stock, you're analyzing. Let's say for investing, you're going through 20 years of history of that company. Whether you're looking at data like cash flow, PE ratio, revenue, profit margin, all this you take in consideration, and how is it growing year after year, and you find out that in the past 20 years they've been growing that amount of percentage every year except that certain year or that certain year, and then you make your decision based on the financial reports and your the financial statements of the company, and who's running the company, and what's their projection for the future of that company, and all that. Now, is it guaranteed investment? Is it a guaranteed win? No, it's not. It's a very high probability that it's a winning investment. Now, it might lose, but even if it's a losing investment, it's a calculated loss, okay? It's something that you run in your risk management, that's within your strategy, that's how much I'm willing to lose in that investment. Same applies when you're going to open a business. If you trade with no planning, you just jump on the stocks and in and out without planning, that, in my opinion, that's complete gambling. It's your hard-earned money, folks. Don't gamble with your own money. Make sure you come up with a strategy, you learn, you practice, okay? You learn, you practice, you learn, you practice. It gets further away from gambling, okay? Don't gamble, and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you have enough knowledge. That I will be providing a lot of knowledge about day trading and about investing. If you want to know about what is day trading and how does it work, click on this video here. And if you want to know what is investing and how does it work, click on this video here. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.